Are you the owner of a 6.0 Powerstroke looking to restore your engine's valve train? Introducing the XDP Billet rocker arm valve bridge set, the ultimate solution for your valve train needs. These CNC machined rocker arm bridges are forged from high quality materials, and each set is nitride coated for additional protection and friction reduction. The result is a set that is incredibly durable and wear resistant. This set is easy to install and comes with all the necessary hardware, making it a perfect addition to your engine build. It's designed to reduce valve train flex and maintain valve train stability. Sold as a set, the XDP Billet rocker arm valve bridge set is the perfect solution for any engine builder who demands the best in reliability and durability. Get a set for your 6.0 Powerstroke at xdp.com or contact a local dealer near you.